In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can cut out photos on CapCut. You can simply cut out stroke picture on CapCut in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your CapCut. On this page, you can either select to start up a new project or just tap right here to continue with your recent projects. You will have to click on Edit just right here on your bottom left. Then slide to the very end. Select CutOut. To get a stunning cutout, you will have to first remove your background. This is optional and it also depends on the color of your photo background. Then after tap on Cutout Stroke. Your cutout will get added successfully. You can edit to any type on stroke. Choose any preferred color. You can also decide to increase the color boundaries if you wish to. That's how easy it is to cut out pictures on CapCut. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.